keel bolt out of Folkboat. It screws into keel, this type, so I've had to weld the nut onto the top of the stud so I can unscrew the whole thing. Made a socket to fit, cut one down, welded it to another. That goes on there. Long extension, and it needs extending even more, but it is coming out. I need there, see, doing it one-handed to one-handed. See, it's unscrewing. Obviously I normally use two hands, but I'm holding camera. Okay. Yeah, she's coming out. But it ain't easy. Right, back to using two hands. Bit airy welding inside a wooden boat, but I put damp cloths down, wet it all down with water, so I think we're alright. Bit of work to do on this Folkboat. Got a few of them out already. Got that one out. I've got that one out there. That one's still in. I've got that one out. That one's still in. And I've got that one out. So, oh yeah, I've also got the engine out. Twin cylinder petrol. Nice. So, right, I'll get on with getting it out.